Can't forget the love taps. And now it's crunch time. We'll stick it in for round 2. We'll give it a good old brush, clean it up, and then glue it down. And there we go. Now we just put it in our specialized clamp to ensure an airtight seal, and it's as good as new.
Don't worry, I got you. Your iPad is ready, sir.
I've seen some pretty dirty devices in my time of phone fixing, but this one's got to top it. But it turns out that they dropped it in a bowl of guacamole while celebrating the England game yesterday. But I have no idea how it got in this deep. It looked like the charging port was already dirty from what we find at the bottom. It just looks to be something like, I don't really want to say it, but earwax. Once we blow it all out, we can then put some isopropyl onto the speaker and mic grills so we can clean it down. Just when you're celebrating in football, try not to drop it in a bowl of guacamole.
But when I took the phone out, I realized that something had spilled in there, and it's probably been sitting there for a while. It's literally crusted onto the phone. This phone came in because it's not charging. I'm not even going to try to clean the charging port. I'm just going to replace it because it's just going to save me time. So here we go. So this is as clean as I can get it. That stuff was literally on there. Like, I scraped it with the razor blade and it still didn't get most of it off. It's etched into the metal. I'm gonna change out the front screen protector as well, just out of courtesy. Yeah, that was pretty gross. I'll show you guys how it looks at the end. Alright, so here's the phone. I put in new tempered glass. It looks brand new.
Despite having all original parts, the screen is extremely dim even on full brightness, so we'll try and fix that too. We'll start by removing the 2 pentalobe screws, unsealing the display, disconnecting the battery and then the screen. Remove the earpiece, transfer it onto the new screen. Now we're going to transfer the data from our old screen onto our new refurbished screen, which will restore the True Tone feature. Houdini it back together. Back on track, we can reinstall the 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom. With a bit of wizardry, the screen is now a lot brighter, and with some careful reprogramming, we've retained the True Tone feature. Better yet, there's no non-genuine display message. 10 out of 10.